Shows you how to extract information from children tags. The attributes used to navigate down are as follows: content and children, descendants, string, strings and stripped strings. Navigating up technique. Every tag has a parent and the two attributes, parents and parent, help to navigate up the family tree. Navigating sideways. This technique shows you how to extract information from the same level in the tree. The attributes used to navigate sideways are next sibling and previous sibling. Navigating back and forth. This demo shows you how to navigate the web tree using various techniques. Import the required libraries to perform web scraping. Here we have imported the Beautiful Soup tool for web scraping process. Once the required libraries are imported, the next step is to create an HTML web document. In this example, we will use the data on books in a bookshop. Create a soup object and pass the web document as a parameter. Note that we have used HTML parser to parse the web document as it belongs to the HTML type. To view the book catalog, use the print method. In this example, there are various tags such as head, title, bold, and so on. It's easy to navigate to the specified tag using its relevant tags. It's possible to navigate down a tree. We can navigate down using descendants or the stripped string method. To navigate up, use the parent method. To navigate back and forth, we need to create an element object. The object created to move back and forth is the element underscore soup. The previous element method is used to navigate back, and the next element method is used to navigate forward. Note that we are using the next element twice. This is because one next element will take you to a new line, which is in, and one more will take you to the actual string value. To navigate sideways, we need to create a sibling object. Here, the sibling object created to move sideways is book soup. Previous sibling and next sibling methods are used to navigate sideways. You have now learned how to navigate the web tree using various techniques.